Okay guys, some of you, this is our home, our small home for vacation. We just got home now, planning to pack our bags and go. Some of you said, show us where bomb shelter is. Now imagine that we're inside here and we have a siren in case of war. The owner of the house told us where we can go for shelter. I'm taking you guys there now, where we can go for shelter. So we can just go out from there, going all this way. In our normal home, our own home, we have a bomb shelter in our flat, okay? So, but here we come for vacation. That's the bomb shelter there. You see? I will just try to zoom it. For some of you asking where is the shelter, this is it. Inside that place is bomb shelter. You see them? So from there, you come out, run. You have some few minutes, right? Yeah, or seconds sometimes, to run to this place and close that place. So that is the bomb shelter, okay? And so even in villages, system also works in Israel. System works in Israel, even in villages. They have bomb shelter. In fact, as we are coming back, I noticed that some bus stations on the way have bomb shelter. Every bus station, not some, every of them have bomb shelter. So that if you're waiting for bus, you have to be there. Because no high-rising building in this village. That's a yo-yo car. You know, and that's Sea of Galilee. Our vacation has come to an end. We're just gonna go in now, pack our things, and drive for about 2 hours before we get home. 2 or 3 hours, depending on traffic. You know, share this video, guys, and one love.